Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but today I am back, new year, with a new video, and this is going to be a glowy natural makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys like this video, and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, content, and yeah. Well, I'm going to be going into the tutorial now, so I hope you guys like it, and bye! I already put on the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer, and next we're going to go in with the Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow Foundation in the shade Golden 4. And I really like this because it makes your skin really glowy and dewy. It's one of those foundations. It does require some touching up if you do need that. I'm going to be applying this all over my face. We're going for a very minimal makeup look, not too much going on, and we're going to be blending that in with a sponge. And I'm going to be using the Glossier concealer in medium. I like to use this because it's hydrating, and no matter how much you put on, it's not going to look cakey. So I'm just going to tap that on places where I feel like I need more coverage. Next, I'm going to be using the La Mer powder to powder my face. Just using a little bit because this is more of like a caking powder. I don't want to use it for that. I just want to lightly powder my face. And I'm very sorry for the background. I'm in my dorm, back in second semester of college. It's been a long ride, but it's been a good ride. But yeah, excuse the background because that's a mess, and that's just how dorms are. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be using a little bit of the Chanel bronzer. I indulged in this like couple months ago just because I really wanted it, and this is very good if you're doing a dewy look because it is not that powdery. I'm not going to use it much because I'm not that much into bronzing lately, just because I want to keep things a little bit more natural. Next, you're going to go into blush. I really have been enjoying these Glossier Cloud Paints. I'm going to be doing another video like about Glossier and trying all their stuff because I want to give you a good review on it and how all the products work together. I have most of the products, like face products and lip products, all that stuff with me, so I'll be doing that video soon. I'm going to be using the color Beam on my cheeks just because it's more warm toned, and just with our fingers we're going to be putting this on our cheeks. So next we're going to be going with highlighter. This is the Glossier Stick Highlighter. Now, I don't really know how to use this. I do know how to use it, but I feel like it's better to just do it on the stick because, I don't know. Maybe if you warm it up with your fingers for a while, then it'll work well. Let me just do that. And we're doing not too much of a high intensity glow, but you know, so you can see it. And just a little bit on my nose. And a little bit here for fun. So next we're going to be going into the eyes. Now I'm not going to do much for the eyes because this is more of a natural look, but I am going to incorporate some things. So just with a fluffy brush, I'm going to be using the brown shade in the Juvia's Masquerade palette. This one right here. And I'm going to be very lightly putting this in my crease. I don't want to do a lot. And on the lids, I'm going to be using the Giza shade right here, one up top. And I'm lightly dusting it because I don't want it to be too intense. And then I'm going to be putting that on the inner corners of my eyes to give it a pop. Like that. That's all I'm doing because I want it to be simple. I have already curled my lashes too. So I'm going to just be putting on a little bit of mascara and eyebrow gel. I'm going to be using the Boy Brow by Glossier. And just shaping my brows with it. Next, I'm going to be using this Milk Makeup Mascara, the Kush one. I'm going to be doing the lips, which is actually the last thing we're going to be doing. So, I'm going to take this Bobbi Brown lip balm. It's the color Bear Popsicle. It's the extra lip tint. And I'm going to be putting this on the tops of my lips like this. And the bottom like that. And then using this Glossier lip gloss, I'm going to be putting that on top. And that just makes your lips look more glossy and plump because I just put it on the top and bottom with this tint. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. It was a very simple video, but I hoped that you guys enjoyed it. And comment down below what makeup tutorials you want to see because I am going to be making more, I promise. And yeah, just anything you want me to review, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on, anything like that. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.